Unlocking the treasure trove, earning millions through travel ventures. Starting a travel blog offers an exciting way to share your adventures while earning money through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. By providing insightful travel tips, destination reviews, and personal travel stories, you can attract a loyal following. Monetizing the blog involves partnering with travel agencies, gear companies, and using links to recommended products, earning a commission on sales. Creating a YouTube travel channel allows you to visually capture and share experiences from around the world. You can generate income through advertising revenue and brand sponsorships once you build a substantial subscriber base. Engaging content such as travel vlogs, tips, and destination highlights will help you grow your audience and attract potential sponsors. Writing and selling travel ebooks or guides is a fantastic way to leverage your knowledge of specific destinations or travel tips. These digital products provide valuable information and insights for travelers and can be sold directly on your website or through online platforms like Amazon. Tailoring content to niche markets or popular trends can boost sales. Offering freelance travel photography services can be lucrative, especially when working with magazines and online publications. Capturing stunning landscapes, vibrant city scenes, and unique cultural events can set your work apart. Establishing a strong portfolio will help you gain credibility and attract clients looking to enhance their visual content. Developing a travel app can tap into the tech-savvy traveler market, offering unique services like personalized itineraries, location-based recommendations, or language assistance. Charging for premium features or integrating ads can provide a steady revenue stream. Success depends on understanding travelers' needs and delivering a user-friendly, valuable tool. Becoming a local travel guide in popular tourist destinations is a rewarding way to share your passion for a place. By offering guided tours, you can provide visitors with unique insights and personal experiences that they might miss on their own. This not only enhances their travel experience, but also supports local economies. Creating and selling travel-themed merchandise online taps into the booming market of travel enthusiasts. From custom-designed t-shirts and hats to travel journals and unique backpacks, such merchandise captures the essence of wanderlust. It's an effective way to reach a global audience and create a brand that resonates with travelers. Adventure travel groups are becoming increasingly popular among those seeking unique and exhilarating experiences. By organizing and leading these groups, you can cater to high-paying clients looking for expertly guided adventures, whether it's trekking through remote areas, diving in unexplored waters, or climbing challenging peaks. Travel consulting is an excellent service for those who dream of perfect vacations, but find the planning process overwhelming. As a consultant, you can offer your expertise to craft personalized itineraries, handle travel arrangements, and give tips on local customs and must-see attractions, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable travel experience. Starting a luxury travel agency can be very lucrative, focusing on bespoke experiences for wealthy clients. This involves arranging exclusive access to attractions, private jets, luxurious accommodations, and personalized services that create unforgettable experiences tailored to the sophisticated tastes and preferences of your clients. Teaching English abroad is a fantastic way to explore new cultures while earning an income. Many countries, particularly in Asia and Latin America, are in constant demand for English teachers. With a TEFL certification, you can land a job that covers your living expenses and allows you to travel during breaks. Working on a cruise ship or a private yacht can be an ideal way to see the world. Crew members often receive free room and board in addition to their salary, which can be saved as they have few expenses while on board. The job also offers a unique opportunity to visit multiple countries and exotic destinations during the voyage. Renting out your home while you travel is a smart way to earn passive income. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to manage property rentals from anywhere in the world. This income can help cover travel expenses, making it possible to travel longer or in more comfort. Writing for travel magazines or websites can be both lucrative and fulfilling. As a freelance writer, you can share your experiences and insights with a wide audience. This role not only helps establish you as a travel authority, but also allows you to earn income as you explore new destinations. Travel hacking involves accumulating points and miles through credit cards and frequent flyer programs, which can be used to pay for flights, hotels, and other travel costs. Skilled travel hackers can significantly reduce their travel expenses or even travel for free, allowing them to explore more destinations on their budget. Starting a dropshipping business allows you to sell products online without holding inventory, making it ideal for managing from anywhere in the world. By partnering with suppliers who handle stock and shipping, you can focus on marketing and customer service, making this model perfect for travelers seeking a flexible income source. Providing remote IT support or web development services offers the freedom to work from any location with internet access. As businesses increasingly rely on digital platforms, the demand for technical support and website development continues to grow. Travelers with expertise in these areas can secure a steady stream of projects while exploring new destinations. Investing in vacation rental properties in popular travel spots can be a lucrative venture. By purchasing and managing properties, you can offer accommodations to tourists while generating significant passive income. This strategy not only funds your travels, but also builds your investment portfolio, leveraging tourism's perennial appeal. Organizing niche travel experiences, such as culinary tours or yoga retreats, caters to specific interests and can attract a dedicated clientele. By focusing on unique, immersive activities, you can create memorable experiences that stand out in the crowded travel market. This approach builds loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth referrals, enhancing your business's profitability. Partnering with travel agencies to offer photography or videography services can enhance your travel experiences while providing a valuable service. Capturing high-quality images and videos for agencies enriches their promotional materials and online presence, creating a symbiotic relationship where your creative skills contribute to their marketing efforts and your own travel funding. Developing a series of travel workshops or online courses is a fantastic way to share your expertise while earning income. You can cover a range of topics from basic travel planning to advanced photography techniques, catering to both novice and experienced travelers. These offerings can be accessed globally, expanding your potential market reach. Becoming an influencer in the travel niche opens doors to collaborate with a variety of brands on promotions. By building a strong social media presence, you can attract sponsorships for your travels and reviews. This role allows you to creatively express your travel experiences and recommendations, influencing others' travel decisions and trends. Creating a podcast about travel stories offers a platform to connect with listeners by sharing thrilling adventures, cultural encounters, and useful travel tips. Monetizing the podcast through sponsorships and advertisements can provide a steady stream of revenue while engaging a community of travel enthusiasts who seek inspiration and entertainment. Starting a subscription service for travel gear or exclusive travel tips can be a lucrative venture. Travel enthusiasts are always looking for new and efficient ways to enhance their travel experiences. By curating a monthly box of must-have travel items or insightful tips, you can cater to this need while building a loyal customer base. Becoming a travel event planner involves organizing events or conferences around the globe, which can be an exciting career for those with a knack for logistics and a love for travel. This role requires creativity and detailed planning skills, as every event needs to be unique and cater to the specific audience and location. Licensing travel photos or videos to media outlets or stock websites offers a great way to earn passive income. As travel destinations always captivate audiences, high-quality visuals are in constant demand. This approach not only monetizes your photography skills, but also allows your work to reach a broader audience. Creating a mobile game or entertainment app centered around travel themes can attract users who enjoy gaming and travel. Whether it's a trivia game about world capitals or a strategy game involving travel logistics, the key is to make it engaging and educational, thus hooking both gamers and travelers alike. Participating in paid travel research or becoming a mystery shopper for travel brands provides an opportunity to explore new destinations while earning money. This role involves assessing customer service, accommodation quality, and overall experience discreetly, which is crucial for travel companies aiming to improve their service offerings. Utilizing skills in SEO and digital marketing can dramatically enhance the visibility of travel businesses or destinations. By optimizing website content for search engines, deploying targeted ad campaigns, and leveraging social media platforms, marketers can attract more tourists, resulting in increased bookings and revenue for travel-related enterprises. Organizing and creating and selling unique travel itineraries online taps into the growing market of travelers seeking personalized experiences. These itineraries can cater to various interests such as adventure, food, or relaxation, providing a detailed roadmap for unforgettable journeys. This venture can generate significant profit by targeting niche markets. Working as a flight attendant offers a unique way to travel the world while earning a living. Flight attendants enjoy the perk of free or highly discounted travel, allowing them to explore new destinations during layovers and off days. This can be an excellent way to save money while satisfying wanderlust. Specialized services like travel safety training or cultural etiquette coaching are increasingly important in today's globalized world. Providing these services helps travelers prepare for international trips, ensuring they understand local customs and stay safe. This not only enhances the travel experience, but also opens up a new revenue stream for service providers. Participating in international trade shows or exhibitions related to travel can be a lucrative opportunity. By showcasing unique travel services or destinations, businesses can attract global attention and form partnerships with international stakeholders. This platform also offers a chance to understand emerging trends and adapt offerings to meet international standards and preferences. Starting a niche travel agency that focuses on ecotourism or sustainable travel caters to a growing demographic concerned with environmental impact. By offering eco-friendly accommodation options and low-impact tours, such agencies promote responsible travel. They also educate travelers about conservation while providing them with a fulfilling travel experience that supports local communities. Developing and selling travel-related software or technology solutions can revolutionize the way people plan and experience their travels. Whether it's a sophisticated booking system, an interactive travel guide app, or virtual reality experiences of distant places, technology enhances the convenience and enjoyment of travel planning and execution, offering travelers a seamless experience. Selling historical or cultural travel guides focused on specific regions or themes can provide immense value to those interested in a deeper understanding of their destinations. These guides can cover local customs, significant historical events, or unique cultural practices, enriching the travel experience by connecting tourists with the essence of the place.